Okay, now we are going to measure free chlorine. So the first thing we have to do is to prepare the blank in order to calibrate the equipment. So I'm going to add distilled water to have the blank. So I have had the distilled water and I'm going to add the reagent. So okay, now I'm going to check the reagent with the water in order to mix and to can have the blank solution. So I have to program the equipment to measure free chlorine, and it's program 3 that is okay, so I'm going to put the 0. While it's calibrating the equipment, I'm going to, for example, measure the free chlorine to the sample number 1. So I'm going to add the water. And after the reagent of free chlorine, so now we have to mix the content of the reagent with the water. As you can see here in the equipment, we have calibrated it and the value is 0. So now we have going to put our sample number 1 in order to know which is the concentration of free chlorine. So we are going to measure. Okay, and the result is 5. We have do the same experiment for the sample number 2, 3 and 4, and the results are shown here in the whiteboard. For free chlorine, sample number 1, the result is 5, for the second one 0.73, for the third sample 0, and for the fourth 1.2. It has sense because the sample number 1 is the sample that has more concentration of chlorine. In other words, it is due to the bleach we have added to the water.